All right, welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another boat fishing video here in South Louisiana. We are in Hackberry, Louisiana, southwest side of the state. We do have southeast wind, which is unfortunate. I'd rather a west wind, but well, maybe I spoke too soon about the water clarity. It's not bad. I can see about like half a foot, maybe about 8 inches down. All right, you guys, exactly what I was talking about. This is why I do not like south winds. Woo. Let me get out of here. I mean, it is from the, look at this shit. Hell no. Oh shit. How's it going? Oh snap. You gonna calm down? You gonna calm down? Thought it was a freaking like oyster bed or something the whole time. I didn't even feel it bite. Okay, well we got our first flounder. Okay. It's not bad. Hope you guys can see that. Not a keeper flounder. I mean, you could keep it, but I'm not gonna keep it. There we go. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. All right, you guys, we're at another spot. I literally had to take the boat out the water and launch it in another spot because it just wasn't happening over here. So we're at a place with some fairly cleaner water. At least I thought it was. So I think for flounder, I should have focused more on structured areas, but I'm gonna try these little moving water areas and with these mud flats and see if I can get something to bite right here. The conditions are not bad. The tide for the most part is, I think it's on the high side, but then again, this could be close to normal. There we go. There we go. That's a good one too. Golly. That's a good one. Yes. A freaking net. Dude, I cast all over this spot. Come here, buddy. It's not as big as I thought it was. He was deep in that mud. Yes. Not a big one, but definitely a keeper. Ah, that felt so freaking good. I haven't done this in forever, it feels like. Shut up. I'm tired of hearing that damn thing. All right, you guys. There we go. I had to put him in the light so you guys can see it. That is a good fish. Hope you guys can see that. There's a fish. I don't know what it is. I don't feel like a flounder. I feel more like a red or something. Oh, it's pulling huh? Oh, it is a red. Yes, another keeper fish. That surprised me. Yeah. The wind is pushing me, man, so I couldn't really set the hook like I wanted to. Alright, let's get you in the boat. Come on, buddy. In the net. I think he swallowed it. No, I see it. It's not that bad. I caught him. That's a pretty fish. Hope you guys can see that. That's a healthy fish. I like this red. A really nice fish. It's been eaten too. Shallow back there. Golly, look at this, you guys. Shallow as hell. Kind of a tight ass squeeze. There's something big right there. Chasing it. Alright, you guys, I'm a little late on the camera, but I do got a nice little red. Nice big red. He swallowed the hook. I didn't even know I had him. I just left the shrimp sit down right here. So, and he is on the worst pole I can freaking have. All right, let's see if I can net him though. It's like maybe not even 10-pound test line. I got like 80-degree weather. Ooh, he is not done. I wish he was, cause golly, he ain't even that big. All right, you guys. Here he is, as big as they're gonna get in the boat for me to keep. All these reds are really fat, man. They've been feeding on them shrimp. Really good fish. Hope you guys can see that. Perfect. Absolutely love it. All right, got another fish. Don't know what it is just yet. Look like a, it's not a catfish. What is that? Redfish? It's a black drum. Ah. Not a keeper black drum, but it's a black drum. Look like a catfish got to it first though. Pretty black drum. It's gotta be what I think it is. Yep. Yep. Gotta be. It held on to it for a little while. Feel like a flounder. I ain't seen it yet. It's fighting like one. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Come here, buddy. Yeah! Hell yeah. I knew they had to have one over there, man. I know it wasn't tripping. And I got my go back. That is a good fish, you guys. Hope you guys can see that. That is flounder number 2. Probably about the same size as the other one. Maybe a little bit bigger. I absolutely love catching these guys. Okay, there's one. There's one. That's a good one too. Good flounder. Yes, indeed. That's exactly what I wanted. I was gonna cast that right there too. I'm glad I didn't. Leading they off. Look at all the shrimp just swimming around. Dude, this spot is amazing. Not to lose a damn flounder. I'm barely hooked too. I just got us another nice keeper fish. I caught one off camera, so I think this is fish number 4. Let's see if we can catch some more. Oh, that's fish stuff. Oh wait, I think that is a fish. Holy, it is. Holy, that is a big, oh, it's not that big of a flounder. It's big enough though. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, Jesus, he saw the freaking net. Jesus Christ. Yo, I mean, I don't think the flounder run has started just yet, but it feels like it. That's a good fish, you guys. Real good fish. Yes.